hidden here. So when I click, it will show. Again, click, it will hide. It will toggle. That's it. On collapse, it will toggle. So I will keep here the class as some margin top as 3 or 4. So that means I click here, it will display and hide. It will display and hide. It will toggle. That's very simple. You can put it for a paragraph. You can put it for image. Just you have to use collapse. The default stage of collapse is hidden stage. So I say show. I say show, then by default it is showing. You click on that, it will be hidden. Again, click on that, it will be shown. So that is the basic collapse option we need to define. To show or hide any content dynamically, you can just add collapse and it can use show. Actually, this is used with combination. For drop downs, for accordions, we use this kind of combination actually. So for example, so let's see how this works now. We use combination of collapse. With the accordions, we use that combination. Actually, what accordion? See, this is general. You can use for any content. For any content, you can manage that. Okay. Let's see. Here we have very simple collapse and have an ID. Data toggle collapse and data target that particular div. I will show you how it is used with combination. Suppose we have accordion. Accordion. This is accordion. And in this accordion, so I am copying the code here. Yep. So this is some accordion. And let's remove this. Okay. Generally, accordion is also a bootstrap style. Usually how the accordion style works is I keep here a div. And this is the parent option. And what you can do is we can configure the class as accordion. Accordion. Okay. I'm configuring this as accordion. So that is accordion and ID. I will give an ID for this as topics. Topics is an accordion ID. Accordion actually comprises of accordion items. Accordion contains accordion items. So this is new in the latest bootstrap. Earlier we just have only accordion. Now accordion is having accordion item. Yeah. So in this accordion item, it can have a header body like that. I can have accordion header. So I will just give an accordion header. So that is for heading, we give accordion header actually. You can keep anything inside it. Suppose I will give a heading. And for this heading, I'm giving the class as accordion header. Okay. And that is actually having an ID. This can have an ID. Later we will put it. Initially, accordion is a collection of accordion items. And currently we have only one item. In that accordion header, in the header, I can give some button. And for this button, I will give the class as, so we will give the class as accordion button. Accordion button. So accordion button I am defining. Okay. And in this, we can give any text. For example, for accordion button, I am giving as HTML tutorial. Like this, we have accordion button. So that is in accordion item, we have heading. In the heading, we have a button. Okay. And after that, we will create a div, accordion body. So we will keep a div. This div ID is HTML. Okay. That is just ID of that particular div. And what we can do here is, in this, we can create a collapse-like appearance. So accordion has accordion collapse. That means we put a class called accordion collapse, and it uses basic collapse style. It uses the collapse style. By default, I can keep show. It can display by default. Okay. Now in this, we can design any content and keep. So this contains class. This is accordion body. Accordion body. In the accordion body, so we keep the content. So we will add some content here. Let's copy and put some content here. And we will keep some paragraph. So accordion body has some paragraph. Okay, some paragraph of information you can give. Remember, this is only one accordion item you designed. In that, this is the style. Actually, when we run this, the accordion will be like this. You see, this is accordion. On the button click, so on the button click, this is accordion actually. On this topic heading click, it can show and hide. Actually, this is collapse. You can show and hide. For that, you know what to write for the button click. For the button click, we have to use data BS target collapse, and the data BS toggle. Toggle, what to toggle? So toggle, we have to hash HTML. That means HTML topic should toggle. That's the option we define. Usually, so when I click on that, so it should hide and display. But currently, accordion is not like that. Accordion, because you given show option for that. Accordion depends on the other options also. Generally, accordion depends on the other options also. Other options means, so not one, it should have multiple. If one is collapsed, another one is shown. It uses a toggling technique actually. That is why we use accordions. So that is data toggle is that HTML. That means it is going to toggle that. But it can work only when you have multiple options. By default, I given show. If I don't give show, so this collapse. So that means accordion is just defined with the collapse option here. And show and not show is configured. It will display like this. Now, when I keep show, then it will display. But on the button click, the showing and hiding should work. That showing and hiding depends on which target they have to work on. Means other options also we need to configure. Let's see the other options. So what are the other options they have to use? Because generally, this toggle depends on multiple items. So let's go and put one more item. This is div. I will copy this up to here, right? This is accordion item. And I will copy another accordion item here. This item have different, suppose CSS examples, something, and ID as CSS and hash CSS like this. And it will not have show. Only one option will be displayed as show. We are configuring in this way. Now, generally, this is the second item inside it. So we have two items inside that, and you can see these two items are there. Now, actually what happens when I click on one, another one will be hidden and it will expand. All can display show. That means you can add show. But generally, they need to toggle now. So for the accordion, they have to work. So then let's see how they can use and they can work. One is, one should work for collapse. It should work for this ID, CSS. Another should work for this heading. Heading ID we need to define. Accordion styles means once one is showing, another one will be hidden. That is the approach it follows actually. So we need to use the same concept. Now let's see accordion, how it is going to manage. This accordion don't have an ID. This is the class accordion. It's having just ID topics. All these items should work for the topic. They should work for that particular topic. In older version, what we can do is we can refer to the topic name. In old versions, we have to refer to the topic name, but not here. So what we have to do is here, we need to write that whenever you designed a collapse, this collapse, this is for HTML. This collapse should work for topics. So we have to add an attribute, data, BS, parent. Like this, we have to define. It should work for topics, hash topics. Similarly, second one also, all collapse should work for parent only. That means the second one also work for parent only. So we have to use data, BS, parent, hash topics. That means all these are linked to one accordion. All collapse are linked to one accordion. For this parent is very much important. Then what happens now is when I click CSS, so it should work with the CSS. Some problem, once check here, what problem? Any error is coming? No, error is not coming. Let's check. Somewhere we missed the target name. Data BS. Target parent is very important. First we given this as accordion, and all will not have the show option, right? Yeah. Buttons will be defined with one more attribute. So button have a class and collapsed. So collapsed is the button attribute. Where is another button? Yeah. Collapsed is the button attribute classes we need to configure here. So collapsed or these buttons can have ordinary. Data BS toggle we given wrong anywhere. This button should toggle data BS target. Data BS target is wrong, we have given. We reversed this, right? Data BS target is hash HTML. Understood? Yeah, toggle is which one toggle? Collapse. We reversed that. That's only the problem. Okay. Next, here also target is hash CSS. I hope everyone got the point. Toggle should be collapse. Yeah, that is where we went wrong. Target means which ID. Toggle means which component. That is the extra option here. Now it's working fine. You can see that. So these are working fine. Now what happens is when I click HTML tutorial, CSS will collapse. When I click CSS examples, HTML will collapse. So any one option will be displaying. Out of these, one option will be displaying. So that is what actually the concept is. Yeah. So this is toggling the options. Actually, we can keep the effects here. Generally, for button, we given as accordion button class. Suppose I given as BTN and BTN danger like class for the button. And it will be like this. That's also works. I need to keep this button complete. And you know how to do that. To keep the button complete, so generally we have display grid. So display grid will keep the button complete. We can keep different appearances. So CSS like this you can add. For example, the above one also button accordion button is the default one. You can use your own button style, BTN danger. And this also display grid. Then your accordion but looks like this now. I click on CSS example. So HTML tutorial, these options will be displayed in this. So you can hide and display the options. Button styles, your wish, you can change. So, and display. So this is one item. Another item, suppose I will copy and I will paste here. So third item, some JavaScript tutorial. And here ID is JS. And here target is hash JS. Collapse. And a parent is target, this one. So now you have these options. You click, only one category will be displayed. Others will be hidden. That's how the contents are shown. This type of style is called as accordion. We call this as an accordion. Generally, accordion is used for managing this kind of effects. You can keep all the accordion always open and display. For that, all you want, you can show. You can add show for all of them. It will be displayed. It will be displayed. That means you put show for all of them. By default, it will display for all of them. No? That's the accordion. So we have the carousels, collapse, and accordion. Accordion is another option. Next, so after understanding this, so we have options, major options like we have nav bars, how to design the navigation bars, navigation controls. That is one major option, and forms. And small options are there that we will see in our next session. Okay, tomorrow we will continue. Today you practice these three: carousel, collapse, accordion. By tomorrow, we will finish the other concepts. So we will complete with our Bootstrap. Then we can go into JavaScript now. We can start learning and working with JavaScript, okay? So these examples also I will upload into Classroom. Already in the notes, they are present, but these examples also I will upload into Classroom once check them. Then tomorrow we will continue and finish other options also. We can use all these in our JavaScript now. Tomorrow we'll continue, okay? Right.